All right, Leo, what's up? 2022 Heritage Softail, beautiful bike. Brand new, it's got like 200 miles on it. The guy wants us to change it over to what he likes. So what we're gonna do is change over the handlebars, go with some 14-inch ape hangers, obviously do the cable kit. We're gonna go with a fuel tuner and then a Samson fishtail exhaust. Customer wants it, it's gonna look great, it's gonna sound a lot nicer. So stay tuned for before and after, but if you're looking for a handlebar job and exhaust, give us a call for your free quote. We'll get you in and out. '22 Harley Davidson Heritage was in here for a quick makeover. Basically, the bike was bone stock, brand new. Wanted to change out his handlebars and his exhaust. You know, we did the grips as well and the Magnum shielding. We blacked out the cable kit. But he went with the Carlini bars and the Bassani dual fishtail exhaust. As you can see, nice little quick transformation. So if you're looking to do something with your bike, looking to upgrade your Harley, give us a call. We'll get you in and out and give you a free quote. But this one's a wrap. You'll see the before and after. I think it looks really good.